Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome snack idea. It's super easy and the ingredients are so little you won't have to complicate. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to grate your cheese. I'm using 100 grams of cheese. Then I'm grating one boiled egg and cutting some parsley. And I'm adding these three ingredients together in a big bowl. Now let's add one garlic clove and the parsley. Then I'm adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of not sweet yogurt and mixing it all together. Now let's fill our edible cups. In my country they're called tartlets. Now let's decorate it. I'm using some red fish, which is previously salted, and let's form the roses. I'm cutting my roses in halves so I have more and they look prettier. Now I'm placing them on top of our little snack. These are very tasty, delicious, and super easy to make. I'm also using some cucumber and decorating around it. So they resemble leaves. And this is the result. Super easy to make and very delicious and tasteful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.